It's a burping contest. Savannah versus her daddy. Prep. You might want more than that, Savannah, if you want to win. Chug that Pepsi.
Anytime you're ready to go. Have at it.
Ow, it hurts.
Nice.
Oh! Ow! Wait, that was awesome. And some came out of my butt. The way you do it, you're like...
There's so much more in there.
I know, it hurts! It's like all gathered up in your stomach and you feel like you're like, woo! I'm gonna do his technique. Yeah, I know.
It's scaring the dog. Billy, you got anything to add to that?
He can't make himself hurt.
I'm not a burper myself. There was mine.
Hey! Can you hear it?
She can do the same thing. Like,
I know.
You can't do that? Can you? That's all of it I do, really.
yeah, you just swallow air.
Wait, it's stuck. I choked on it.
Oh, I can't do any of
Oh, I
that.
have a headache!
I'm so jealous.
I think I lost.
Oh, too much air.
You gonna throw up?
That would be so gross.
Because if you are, that's gonna not be good for.
No, almost for a second there.
You're like, ooh. I burped and like
I
almost
swallowed a little
chunks
too
of
much.
puke came up my mouth. I was like, I was like, ah.
Okay, we don't want to burp to the point of
It's a
puking.
very
Fine
skill
line.
that you have to like. You need to work on. I think my skill may have been overtaken in the next generation.
Yeah. Don't overuse your power, Savannah.
By the time you have kids, Christ, we might have a real life booger from Revenge of the Nerds.
Jeez, you sound like you're 90.
Nice. All right, and that ends that video like perfectly.